Hey guys, Shivam here from Pi Classes. So today we are going to talk about our next topic in this series, which is update query in SQL. In this video, we will learn how to modify records in a table using update query. So first, we will talk about update statement. So while using databases, we may often want to update a few data values either in a single record or for multiple records. So the update statement is used to modify the existing records in a table. So, so the basic syntax of update query with where clause is given. Update table name, then set column name equal to value name, comma, column name 2 equal to value 2, and so on. And then where clause, then condition, then semicolon. You can combine n number of conditions using and or operator. And be careful while using this query because if you omit the where clause from the query, then all the records in the table will be updated. So now we will see an example related to update query. So as you can see on the screen, this is the customer table which has some records in it. Now, if I want to update the address for a customer whose ID number is 3 in the table, so we will see how to write update query for this. So this will be the query to update the address for a customer whose ID number is 3 in the table. So let's have some practical now. Here we will see that how to modify existing record from the customers table using update query. So as you can see that I have MySQL Workbench opened up and I have connected to the server right by typing in my password. So now in the text editor we will write our queries. So as you can see we have already a table named customers which I have used before in our previous lectures. So we will perform our task directly in the same table again. So as you can see on the screen, this is the customers table. So if I want to update the address for a customer whose ID number is 6 in the table. So in this question, we have to use the update query to modify records in the customer table. So now I will write the query regarding this question using update statement. But first I have to write a query to use database testdb. So I will use the database writing query testdb semicolon then control enter. So as you can see on the action output that our query is successfully executed. Now I can perform our task. So I will write the update query which is update then table name with customers, then set, then column name which is address equal to, then the value we want to change Pune, then we will use where clause id equal to 6, then semicolon to terminate the query. So I will now run it by simple pressing Ctrl plus enter. So you can see in the action output that our query is successfully executed and table is successfully modified according to our question. So if I want to see our modified table. I have to just refresh it and then simple press this icon. No, so now I can see that our table is successfully modified. As you can see, ID number 6, we have updated the address which is now Pune. So that's it for today's practical. Let's jump to our quiz section. So let's put your knowledge to the test. So these are the three basic questions which I have talked about in this video. So pause the video and try to think of the answers. I think you have chosen your answers. So these are the right answers. So that's it for the today. In the next video, we will cover our next topic.